In this video, we're learning how to talk about things happening now or planned for the future. This is called the present continuous tense. We use the verb to be with am, are, is, and add ing to the main verb. For example, work becomes working. Download becomes downloading. Our first point is talking about things happening now, but not forever. The present continuous is a way to talk about things happening right now, maybe on your computer, or things you've planned to do on it for a little while. For example, downloading a game means it's not finished yet. Searching online means you haven't found what you need yet. We use the present continuous for these situations because they are not permanent. I am working on a project. Now, how about describing things that are ongoing but taking some time? We can also use the present continuous to talk about things that are happening right now, even if they might not be happening at this very second. For example, you could say, she is writing a code, even if she's not writing a code at this exact moment, because she's still in the process of writing. It is a continuous process happening over some time. It is a temporary part of her life. In a few weeks or months, she will finish writing the code, and then she will no longer be writing a code. We use the present continuous in this way with a lot of work situations. We can also discuss things that are different from usual. We can use the present continuous to talk about things that are different from what we usually expect or do. For example, you could say, my computer is usually fast, but today it's running slow. This isn't the usual speed. She is trying a new software program. This isn't something she normally uses. Another very typical use is when we're talking about future plans that have already been arranged. We use the present continuous to talk about things we've already planned to do in the future. Imagine you've decided to do something specific later on. You can use the present continuous to say it because it's already been arranged or you intend to do it. For example, you could say, we are updating our software tonight. You've already decided to do it. They are backing up their files next weekend. They've already planned to do it. As you can see, we can use the present continuous for many things. Let's look at a few more. Sometimes we need to use negatives. This is how we do it. Negative. We use the verb to be, am, are, is, and not to say something isn't happening now. They are not working on the project today. With a question, we can use the verb to be and ask something like, is the printer still downloading the update? We're asking about the status of an action. Are they still talking about the same point? We're asking if the conversation has moved on. Are you still working for the same manager? We're asking if their job has changed or not. If we want to be more specific, we can use time expressions. Special words like now, later, today, tomorrow, and next week with the present continuous can show when these temporary actions or future plans are happening. For example, we are having a video conference later today. I am downloading a game now. Finally, let's look at setting the scene. The present continuous can be used to paint a picture of what's happening right now. It helps describe the current situation or overall feeling. For example, you could say, everyone is coding and debugging their programs. This describes what people are doing at the moment. The system is updating automatically. This describes what's happening right now. These sentences use the present continuous because they describe the current state of affairs rather than just a single action. The present continuous is just one way to talk about the future. Keep learning to discover more ways to express yourself in English.